11 Foods good for the liver. Amazing foods good for the liver. The liver is one of the most vital organs that we have in our body. Aside from the fact that it is the biggest internal organ we have, it is also equally noteworthy to remember that we should also make sure that we maintain its healthy status by taking food which is healthy for it. In this article, I will be sharing with you the list of this food. 1. Beetroot juice for a healthy liver. Beetroot juice, to be exact, can lessen the organ's inflammation and oxidative damage. In doing so, the detoxification enzymes are increasing, making it ideal for the organ to function healthily and regularly. 2. Blueberries and cranberries. A 3 to 4 times consumption of these in a week can prevent you from suffering from organ-related damage. Blueberries can increase the immune cell response as well as antioxidant enzymes. Thus, the growth of possible cancer cells and tissues is also prevented. 3. Coffee for a healthy liver. Several studies show that coffee can enhance a healthy organ. Conditions like cirrhosis and other liver damage such as cancer and other chronic liver diseases could be prevented if an individual drinks coffee for at least thrice a cup in a day. The antioxidants content of coffee also helps in removing harmful radicals found in the body. 4. Cruciferous vegetables for a healthy liver. Broccoli, Brussels, and mustard greens are just a few examples of these. The compounds that these vegetables contain are beneficial in protecting the liver from possible inflammation and damage while increasing the detoxification of enzymes. 5. Fatty fish. Fishes that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon and the likes are healthy for our liver. Not only they are delicious, but enough iodine present to these fatty fishes also establish an outstanding balance on our liver health. Indeed, fatty fish is one good food for this organ. 6. Grapes. Some of the advantages that grapes bring to our liver are the decrease in possible inflammation, an increase in antioxidants, and prevention from organ damage. This is why taking grape extracts has been a trend in a lot of natural remedies for liver diseases. 7. Grapefruit. Another good for the liver is the grapefruit. The naringenin and naringin antioxidant content of grapefruit makes the grapefruit ideal in protecting one's organ from possible injuries. Overall, it protects the organ from possible inflammation and possible cell-related problems. If it is damaged or swelling that you're worried about, grapefruit can help you in that matter. 8. Nuts. Nuts are rich in vitamin E, and this specific vitamin is powerful in helping the liver function healthily. The improvement in the level of organ enzyme is significant for those who take nuts as part of their meal plans. 9. Olive oil. One of the healthy fats is olive oil, and the usage of it in preparing our meals can help our organs in a variety of ways. There is a significant decrease in liver fats and improvement in the enzyme level through olive oil. 10. Prickly pear. More than being a traditional medicine used to cure wounds and even ulcer, prickly pear also works in maintaining a healthy liver. It protects the organ from being damaged because of the inflammation brought by drinking liquor or alcoholic beverages. Because of this, an individual suffering from a hangover will be reduced. 11. Tea. A Japanese study shows that an intake of at least 5 to 10 cups of green tea daily results to improved liver health. It is also rich in antioxidants along with enzymes and fats which protect the organ. Because of this, conditions such as liver cancer could be prevented. Now that you are familiar with the list of food which can help you maintain a healthy liver, there is no going back. You have to begin your journey towards planning a healthy and organ-friendly lifestyle. Keep healthy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow. More idea and health and wellness stories.